The topic of discussion in this video is the masking statute and what is considered to be masking under the federal provision that requires that you cannot mask a conviction. The section that we're talking about is section 384.226, which is entitled Prohibition on Masking Convictions. That's the federal section that we are speaking about. In other videos, I went over the fact that the state of Missouri, thankfully, requested clarification from the federal government, from the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration back in 2005 regarding questions about the masking provisions that were prohibited in the Motor Carrier Safety Improvement Act that was effective September 30th, 2005. It's very important that we understand the history behind this law and its application. Throughout the questions that Missouri had, they asked the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration they gave them different situations and asked for clarification about how it would apply. In one of the situations that they asked about, essentially they asked if there was a CMV operator, a commercial motor vehicle operator, that was issued a traffic citation for improper lane change in a CMV, in their commercial vehicle. And the scenario went something like, prior to the citation being filed with the court, the prosecutor determined only to file the charge as a defective muffler. So it was essentially amended prior to filing from improper lane change in CMV to defective muffler. And the final conviction was for a defective muffler, and that's the only charge that was ever signed by the prosecutor or filed with the court. The Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration responded to that question, and here's what they said. They said that this practice is not in violation of 49 section CFR 384.226, the section that I just went over with you, because the violation was reduced before a judgment of guilt was pronounced. It doesn't say because it was reduced prior to filing with the court. It doesn't say that. It says before a judgment of guilt was pronounced. And we know, based on the masking statute, the 384.226, there has to be a judgment of guilt, a conviction, prior to the statute coming into play. They further responded and said, before we can apply the conditions in 49 section CFR 384.226 to determine whether masking has taken place, there has to be a judgment of guilt, i.e. a conviction for a violation. The masking provision in 49 CFR section 384.226 does not prevent plea bargaining from taking place. Folks, this is word for word, verbatim, straight from the federal government's response to Missouri's questions. This is not made up. This is in print. This is how they responded. It makes perfect sense. The statute says prohibitions against masking convictions. If you're going to mask a conviction, doesn't there need to be a conviction first? Yes, there does. There must be a conviction first. Remember that. Don't forget it. It's very, very important. In order for us to mask a conviction, there has to be a conviction first. Prosecutor takes the charge, I'm sure to help out the truck driver, probably no harm done. I don't know what the scenario was in the situation. Improper lane change in CMV, prosecutor amends it to improper muffler, and the charge is filed as improper muffler. No masking, no issues, no harm, no foul, no problem. They can do that all day long according to the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration. My name's Joseph Kreps. I'm a traffic violation defense attorney in Alabama. I help people who have commercial driver's licenses and who drive commercial motor vehicles. We have handled thousands of traffic tickets in the state of Alabama, and I can help you. All you have to do is call my office. There is no case that is helpless or hopeless. We will always evaluate your case and do everything within our power to get you the best result possible. All you have to do to begin the conversation with us is call our office. You can reach us at 866-348-2889. Or you can visit our website, trafficticketattorneyinalabama.com. Call us. Let us look at your case. Talk to us. Let us evaluate your case, and we'll send you whatever information you need about us. We cannot guarantee you any specific result, but we can guarantee you that we've handled thousands of traffic tickets in Alabama, and we will do whatever we can to get you the best result possible. Call us, 866-348-2889. Thank you very much.